another video. So as you can see, we're in a different space. We're my living room. Yeah, we're my living room. So I did a video not too long ago of like a clean with me video of in my extra room, and I don't know if y'all liked it, but I liked filming it. So it's kind of gonna be like that video, but also like a decoration or like decorating video. I don't know. Basically, I moved in this apartment like January, beginning of this year, okay? If you didn't watch my apartment tour, go watch that. I showed y'all everything in my living room, like where I got the shit from. But I was telling y'all I didn't finish decorating. So I still didn't finish fucking decorating. But today I finally like went out, got some things that hopefully look right. So we're gonna be finished decorating my living room today. I'm gonna show y'all everything put together, and I cannot wait for y'all to see it because I just love my living room. Like it's super spacious, but like, I don't know. I love it. But yeah, we're gonna be decorating and cleaning, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final results today. But if this is your first time to my channel, my name's Danique, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Period. We turn up on this channel, I have more great content like this, so let's get into it. So like I said, I finished getting some decorations today for my living room. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. If you didn't watch my apartment tour, go watch it so you can see like the concept of my living room. Otherwise you're gonna be like, why you get that shit? I'm gonna put it in the eye up here if I remember. Hopefully I remember, so y'all can go watch that and y'all see like the layout of my living room and like the theme. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I went to Hobby Lobby to get this stuff, so I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna change the camera around so y'all can see where I'm putting these at. So y'all can see like I have nothing behind my TV. That's like the only why I don't have nothing on, so I didn't know what to put back there. I couldn't find shit that matches, so I finally found what I think would look good back there, hopefully. But this is what I got. I don't know if it's coming up on camera or not. Hold up. I'm gonna have to turn the brightness down a little bit. I don't know if it's focusing, but I basically got this floral picture. Hopefully it's focused. But in the picture it's like the colors of my living room, which if you watch the video, like I said, blue, gray, white, and my theme doesn't have gold in it, but I feel like it like brings it out a little bit more. And I got another one too, which it's the same, wait, okay, they're the same picture I think, but like, are they different? Hold up. Okay, so it's this, I'm right here. It's the same picture, but like the flowers are arranged differently. So like it's the same but different, I think. But then I got these because that wall's big, so I'm gonna put these on there too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. Maybe like under it, over it. We're gonna figure this out, but I got these. I have some of these in my bedroom and I love them, so I grabbed some more. Don't know what we're doing with them yet, but it goes. And then, do y'all see like all the shit I have like on my TV stand? Yeah, I need to get that together. So I got these bins. They're so cute. And these are not from Hobby Lobby. These are from Dollar General. Okay. And I love them. Only thing is, I think it's gonna be too big to like slide under there like I wanted it to. So we'll have to see. But anyway, it's cute. I'm so excited to show you guys this. I don't know why. Okay, anyways. So this bin, it says, can y'all see it? It says things. No one in it says stuff. I just thought that was so cute because literally it's things and stuff going in these bins. Like, it's just bullshit. So I just thought that was cute. The big one was $10 and the little one was $8. Got them from my local Dollar General. We're gonna start decorating. I'm gonna do behind my TV first. We're gonna see how that's gonna go because I don't know if it's gonna be straight. But yeah, let's hang these pictures up first. Y'all, I spent an embarrassing amount of time trying to get these. Let me move out the way. Fucking picture frames up. They might look even in the video, but they're by no means even. Super uneven. I can't, like, certain parts of the wall I can't nail nails in. I guess there's like something, I don't know no shit about shit, okay? Okay. So I went out and I just bought a bunch of like command strips. I bought like thumbtacks because I'm still trying to get these up on the wall. It's been I don't ever want to say how long it's been, but we're still doing that right now. Okay, so I got the frames up. They're even though it probably doesn't look like it on camera. They look even. Anyways, got those up. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I may switch it or add more flowers. I might just go back to Hobby Lobby tomorrow and get more flowers just to make it look better. But now I'm gonna do the bottom of the TV stand and try to fit these down there. Don't know if they're gonna fit, but let's do it. Okay, can I zoom this in? Yeah. So I think my camera cut off, but look, y'all, I had to squeeze that motherfucker under there, but I got it, and I think it looks so cute. Oh my goodness. So I'm about to clean my living room, and cause look at it. I'm about to clean, and I'm gonna show y'all my whole living room, and yeah, oh my god, I'm excited. Ayy. All right, so it's literally days later. So I didn't finish the video because I ended up getting more stuff, and I knew I was gonna get more stuff, so I just said let me wait. But it's been 2 days, I think. But today I went to it's called the At Home store. I guess other places probably have that too, but I went there to to get some more stuff, sorry. So I got these vases, you could tell. Let me show you both of them. So y'all see me finish my wall. Whoa. Yeah, y'all see me finish my wall with the pictures and the flowers that way. But I just want to go get these vases. I got them from the at-home store. Let me show y'all a close-up. They're pretty big too. Only thing is, I thought it was blue at the bottom. Like, I thought it was like a blue, dark blue ombre, but it's actually gray. But it doesn't really matter. Like, my couches are gray, so whatever. So I got them for each side of my TV stand, and I want to get like some garland to fall out of them. Like, I can't explain it, but I'm gonna get it together and show y'all when I get done with everything. But they didn't have the color I want. Like, they had a light blue. I want like a real dark, deep blue. So I'm gonna probably go somewhere tomorrow and get that. So it's gonna be a while before I get this done. This video is probably gonna be over the course of like a week and a half, because I also ordered something else that I'm waiting to come that I don't want to show y'all everything until that comes. So it's gonna be a while. So also from the at-home store, I got this picture. I'm about to drop it. I hope it's focusing, but it goes with my whole theme in my living room. Where I'm gonna put it, I don't know, but I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all could, I potentially might put it in this spot. Let me turn this around. So this is behind my big couch, because I have two couches. This is my big couch right here. So behind my big couch, I have these 3 pictures. And I'm gonna maybe just replace it with this big one, because it might bring it out. Oh, I keep dropping this. It might bring it out more. Ooh, oh, my pillow fell. Yeah, I feel like that would look better behind there. But the only thing is, then I don't know where to put those at, because literally all my walls are like taken up now. I have this wall that's like, can y'all tell, like it dents in right here? It dents in right here. So I can put them like next to it. Okay, look, let me back this up over here. Sorry, I'm trying to like get, so I can get the picture. Hold on, let me put this down a little bit. I think that might work. Okay, so y'all can't see my whole bar cart, but like, this is my bar cart. I have like a picture up here, like that goes with the bar theme. And then I ordered a big wine rack to go right here. So this wall's gonna be taken up, so I can't put them right there. But I was thinking maybe like this wall right here I could put on. But then I feel like that's too close to the wine rack. You know what I mean? Is the mathing or no? I don't know. So I have 2 places I could put them. I'm gonna figure out what I'm about to do right now. Okay. So I got everything up, but that's crooked, and I literally have to go down the street to the store to get command strips to hang it up. I only literally got enough to hang up the fucking picture. If I take them off the wall, it's not gonna be sticky anymore. So I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow to get more. Oh my god. Well, that's done. Okay. So it's been a week. It's literally been a fucking week. Yeah, I knew this video was gonna take some time because I wasn't quite done getting the stuff I wanted. But last thing I showed y'all was the vases and picture I got from the at-home store. So the vase is back here. I just wanted to show y'all what I did with it. I got these flowers and leaves and stuff from, ignore the, if I hope y'all can't hear the siren. Ignore it if you can. I got these from Hobby Lobby and I'm messing them up. Shit. Anyways, yeah, these are from Hobby Lobby. I kind of like arranged it myself. Do you like? You'll see a better picture of it like after I show y'all everything. But yeah, all this stuff's from Hobby Lobby that I got to go in the vase. Oh, one more thing I did. Let me turn this. I was telling y'all about my wine rack that I got from Amazon, and it's here. It's so cute. I love it. When I show y'all my whole living room, you'll see how it looks next to the bar cart and everything. That's siren. Anyways, yeah, I got put up yesterday, and I love the way it looks. These wines I got from it's called PA Wine Cellar. It's like, it's a store in Pittsburgh that sells different flavor wines. These ones couldn't fit in the little things though, because the top of them are made weird because they're like fizzy wines, so like the tops are made different. I don't know, but they still look cute right here, and I love this. Again, I got this from Amazon. I'll try to tag most of the stuff I got, hopefully, maybe if I feel like it. This video already took too long to make, but if y'all really want to know where something's from, just let me know. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I did. So my living room's done. I just have to clean now. So we're gonna get ready to clean, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final product of my living room. Alright y'all, so it's been almost 2 weeks and the video's finally done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did enjoy decorating and recording a video, even though it wasn't perfect because it was so spaced out. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next video. Peace.